In the video E, it talks about the concept of stability for electrical engineers, or simply the control system. And the video explains one of the most important concepts in control system, which is the stability. So stability is essential because it determines whether a system will behave in a controlled and predictable way when it receives an input or experience disturbances. And in the lecture, stability is explained in a very clear and intuitive way. A system is considered as stable if, after being disturbed or given an input, it eventually returns to its equilibrium or steady position. On the other hand, it is unstable, the system, if its output continues to grow without limit or moves farther away from its equilibrium point. And also in the video, it also discusses the idea for a stable system when a bounded input is applied, and the output should also remain bounded. And this idea is commonly called BIBO stability, BIBO stability, which stands for bounded input and bounded output. If a system produces an unbounded output from an unbounded input, then the system is unstable. And another important concept discussed in the lecture is relationship between the system stability and the poles of the transfer function. So in control system, the behavior of a system can be analyzed by looking at the location of its poles in the S-plane. So if all the poles are located in the left half of the S-plane, the system is stable because the response will eventually decay to zero. And if any pole is located at the right half of the S-plane, the system becomes unstable because the response will grow over time. So as a future engineer, one sight that I gain from this lecture is how critical stability is for the safety and reliability of engineering systems. Many modern technologies depend on control systems such as aircraft control systems, robotics, power systems, and automated industrial machines. So if these systems were unstable, their outputs could grow uncontrollably, which could cause serious failures or accidents. So this shows that stability analysis is not only a theoretical concept but also a very practical requirement in engineering design.